Today we'll be painting this misty forest with the road which goes inside the mist. And before that, if you happen to enjoy this video, please take a moment to give it a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So as I said, we are actually painting a misty forest. There are lots of things go into planning which layer goes first. This is almost most of the time I talk about it. The planning, exactly the color, you test out the color, the mixture whatever you have mixed, and then the color matching, or otherwise even the contrast. So these so many things are going to picture before you even start painting. So just to make sure making sure that you are actually bringing out the contrast, the color, the depth. And mainly with the mist, you have two options. You can actually use wet on wet, or otherwise wet on dry. So if you are actually using wet on dry, maybe then again it depends on exactly what you are going to paint, in the sense, are you actually going to paint something, are you going to remove the paint, or otherwise you are actually going to use gouache or acrylic, which is very rare that sometimes I use, but at least gouache to get some effect. But in this case actually I've used wet on wet and then applied layers. So the entire video actually as part of the lesson will be available on my website, which includes all the steps, color mixing, the color, what colors I've mixed, how I've applied, what surface, was it wet or damp. So depending on that, how it has to be, and bring out the contrast as it comes forward. And it's the perspective as well. So all those things, considering all those things, and then bringing out the best out of the entire painting is a must. So it takes a lot of practice. But if you're watching this and if you're following along with this, just follow along exactly how I've done. Think you should get there exactly same as mine. If you are watching just for enjoying purposes, just watch the video and then enjoy yourself.